All right. First off, I want to say hello, Brad. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff. Spoke to you earlier today, and my company is Blanger Solutions. And the point of the video is just wanted to show you how you could increase the value of your company. There's a couple key factors for ranking on Google and how you get that first page exposure. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Now, of course, you want to understand every time you type something into here, you know these are keywords. Google uses that to look for what you're asking from a website that fits that search criteria for those words and the content that they have in it. Search engine optimization, SEO, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords content on your site, depending on your competition and a number of keywords that you need. Now understand, obviously, this is the map pack. It's nice to be seen here, and it's important to be seen here. You get a lot of exposure. When a lot of people Google something near me, lawn care near me, and this is the ranking structure here is based off of citations and referring domains. Citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, highly recommended you build one. It directly connects you and your business to the citations, and that's what ranks you here. Name, address, phone number. Citations are directories that include Angie, Yelp, Better Business, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath the map is your organic rank. So this is how this works. Aside from an advertisement from Angie or Facebook, organic ranking comes with backlink, content, SEO. So, of course, Home Advisor. So I picked this guy right here. He's on the first page. He's number 5. I don't know if you ever wondered, how do people get on the first page of Google? Well, I'm going to school you to a little bit right here. So I just did landscaping or lawn care, Seymour, Indiana, and he's there. So we have Chris's Lawn Care, and this is his website. And what I have is a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it tells me what's going on behind the scenes of the website and how it got there. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. And Google uses that to build trust in your company, in your business. It creates popularity. So we can see that he has 53 backlinks from other websites referring to him. Keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. You want a pretty strong domain rank, and you want to make sure that it's got some traffic. This is per month. So these are the backlinks that he has that are connected to him, referring him. And this is the strength that he has, the traffic. Just giving you a little insight there. Also, from that, he has 9 domains that he's directly linked to. Now, keywords, SEO, search engine optimization, keywords. He's got 11 keywords, but he's getting 24 views per month, and this is per month. That's the traffic he's getting from his keywords. So let's take a look at what he's got going on here. And again, the volume per month that these keywords get searched. So Chris's Lawn Care, 150 times. Chris Landscaping, okay. Landscaping, Southern Indiana, 10 times. You get the idea. These are exposures. So this could be good old boys lawn care in Indiana or your surrounding towns, whatever you guys do, trimming, sidewalk, could be, what's the word? It's been a long day. Pressure washing. I mean, keywords is what generates your exposure rate. So with that, maybe you get a better understanding of how somebody gets to the first page of Google. Once your content and your backlinks and your citations, once they come together and you start to outrank your competitors or move yourself up this way to the first page of Google, you get more exposure, you get more value for the business, and your traffic increases. So I know that you guys are over here on Facebook. That's great, super cool. This was just a little insight as to how people get on the first page of Google, with a little bit of what's inside on a web page and how you actually rank yourself on the first page of Google. And so I just wanted to take the time to show you that. I know I talked to you today. You guys are doing really, really good from where you started. I mean, that's amazing. That's awesome. It's super good. And I hope you guys are having a great time. At least maybe get a little better understanding of how a well-built website needs to be to get yourself ranked and bring some value to you on Google. Without a good web build, without SEO, it's like a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see it. A lot of companies build websites, but they fall short when it comes to content and SEO. And you think, I just got a website. Where is it? It's all on how it's built and what you put into it. So if you find yourself wanting some more information, we should talk. Do some research, find out, exactly what would be realistic for you and your business if you guys were looking to move that way. We really appreciate the time you take to watch this today, and thank you, and have a nice night.